25 of Laravel 13 series, in which we are getting the AI-powered e-commerce website. In this part, we are going to generate category description and SEO tags using OpenAI. In the previous part, we implemented prompt engineering by making our AI prompts configurable from the admin panel. And in this part, we will use those settings to build an AI category description and SEO generator. Okay, so we have seen in the last part, we able to generate the product SEO content, and also we have worked on the AI settings. We able to make the advanced settings so that we can able to generate the AI content as per our own choice. Here you can see the last time we able to build this advanced AI settings. Here you can see that we able to generate this OpenAI model. We able to select temperature, max tokens, writing tone, description length, short description length, keyword count, and the most importantly, the advanced prompt. Okay, we can send the prompt to the AI that which content, that in which behave, that how he can behave, that in which manner he must behave for our content. Okay, so now we are going to generate the content for the categories. Earlier, we have generated the content for the products, and then we have done these AI settings, and now we are going to generate the content for the categories. Okay, like I'm going to show you here. If I will click on the new category, here we will give here the generate button or link to generate the description, as well as the meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. Means description as well as the meta tags for the category we are going to generate from the AI. Like we have done for the products earlier, I'm going to show you for the products that we have done earlier. Here I'm going to open the iPhone 15. Here you can see that we have the generate using AI button. With this button, we can able to fetch the description, short description, and SEO tags. Okay, and in the same way, we are going to add the button or link here to fetch the description, meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. Okay, we can open the existing category and can generate the SEO content for the existing category. Here I'm going to open the iPhones. Okay, so this is the iPhone details, and you can see the description and the SEO tags. SEO fields are empty right now, but we are going to add here the that button, AI button, generate AI. Okay, so when we will click on that button or link, uh, the description as well as the tags will get generated from the AI. Okay, and they will behave in the same manner like the prompt we have given in the AI setting. Okay, so this is the listing page, iPhone listing. Ignore the images. We don't have the image right now. Okay, so here at the top, we are going to display the description of this iPhone. Okay, of this category, and also we are going to add the meta tags that we are going to show in the browser. So let's work on this thing. And first of all, we are going to add. See, these are the details like I have explained that we are going to add in this part. And in AI service, we are going to update the AI service.php file where we are already having one function. That function is the generate product content. Okay, for generating the product content from AI. And now we are going to make another function similar to this one for generating the category content. Okay, so that function working is similar to this function. So I'm going to build this function. This function I have already built. This is the copy of the product function. Only difference is this will work for the categories. I'm going to add this function under this function. Okay, like this. And here you can see that this function will have all the content that the earlier function is having. We are going to fetch the model that we have described in this AI setting. Okay, so many of the things will come from the AI setting itself. From this page, from the AI settings page, and the temperature, max tokens, description length, keyword count, writing tone, and the prompt. Prompt will also come from the AI setting. Okay, from this setting, we are going to fetch this setting and will apply for the category as well. Okay, so in exchange, it will send these four things. Like for the product, it is returning these things. You can see it is returning description, short description, and meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. And here there is no short description, but there is the description, category description, SEO Meta Title, SEO Meta Description, and the keywords. Okay, these four things we are going to return from the AI. Okay, AI is going to return this. Okay, and see after this, next step is to update the category form. I'm going to open the category form. Here we are going to include these classes that we require to generate the AI content from the AI, and we require to update this one, this description column. So we are going to replace it with this content. So here I'm going to replace this description rows with this content like this. Okay, so here you can see generate using AI label. Okay, this is the button, and here we are getting the category name from the form and its parent ID as well. Okay, and from the category name and the parent ID that we are sending to the AI, and we are getting the description, meta title, meta description, and meta keywords in exchange of that. Okay, so that's why we are going to update this one, this content. So after this, we are going to test first of all in admin panel. I'm going to refresh here and we'll see if the link has been generated. We can add the link over button. And here you can see the generate using AI. Okay. Now I'm click on this one. Let's see. Here you can see that we able to generate the description and meta tags from the AI. Okay. Here you can see the description is coming, meta title is coming, meta keyword is coming, and meta description is coming. And this content is coming as per the choice that we have given in the AI setting prompt that we have given, and the title, keywords, and description length we have given in the AI setting. Okay, and now this description and this title, these tags we are going to display in the listing page. Okay, so for that we are going to update the listing page now. So I'm going to open the listing rate file, and we are going to update the listing page, this content, this description content we are going to add after main body. We are going to add here somewhere, and container row, and after this we are going to add the description. Here we are going to save these changes. We have not saved yet. Changes have been saved, and now I'm going to refresh here, and you can see the description of the iPhones category is coming as per as we have added. Okay, so the description is working fine, and now we are going to display the tags as well. And for that, we are going to update the app.play.php file. In app.play.php file, these are the content that we are going to add. Uh, Here you can see that we are already having the meta name keyword. So I'm going to check. No, we are not having. We are going to add this one. Other tags we are already having there the description. Here you can see meta name description, and after that we are going to add here the keywords as well. Title is already there. Okay. So and after that I'm going to update in the listing grade file as well. Okay, in listing grade file we are going to add here the content. This content we are going to add here. Okay, and I'm going to replace this one with the all these three content we are going to add. Okay, so I'm going to align it. Okay, this is done, and now I'm going to test it. I'm going to refresh it that its meta title, keywords, and descriptions are coming or not. And yes, here you can see it is coming. Advanced mobile phones for performance and security. I'm going to check in its source code as well. And you can see the title is coming like we have added in admin panel. Its description is coming. Okay. And sorry. And its keyword is coming. You can see its keywords are coming. Three of the keywords we have added. Okay. And its keywords are coming. So we able to get the content that we have added for the category, for this iPhone category. Okay, and you can see all these three keywords and its length is according to the AI settings that we have set in the last part. Okay, you can check this. In the last part we have added the content. I'm going to show you. We have added the three count for the keywords, and here you can see the three count for the keywords. That's why only three keywords have come up here. Okay, if we will increase, then the more keywords will come up here. Like if I'm going to increase this one like 5 keywords, okay, and also I'm going to increase these one, then the content of these descriptions will get increased. Okay, so here the prompt we can also update. I'm going to save these changes, and now I'm going to fetch once again. I'm going to fetch here uh, in for the category. I'm going to open the category here, iPhone category. And here now I'm going to use it again, and this time I will hope that the 5 keywords will come and will the updated description and meta description. Okay, so I'm going to click on generate using AI once again, and here you can see the 5 keywords are coming this time: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and along with that, now we have the longer description as well. Okay, I'm going to save these changes so that it will reflect at the front end. So it has been done. I'm going to refresh here. And here now you can see the 5 keywords. Okay, yes, you can see now the 5 keywords: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the updated description, longer description is set. So I hope that everything is clear to you and you can follow this part. And if you have any query, you can surely contact me. Okay, and please subscribe this Stack Developer YouTube channel. You can open this channel, Stack Developers. You can search and open this channel, and please subscribe the channel for more updates, and please join the channel to get the complete source and scope. Thank you so much.